Hi everybody, happy e-learning. This is going to be your assignment for our first class, which is going to be Monday, April 13th and Tuesday, April 14th, depending on your class time. This is going to be how we're going to wrap up World War II. I know we were unable to get to a lot of material, but this is the most important thing, and then we're going to move on to the Cold War. For this assignment today, you are reading a few documents and then you are going to go ahead and develop an opinion and write a paragraph at the bottom. So the big question here is, was the atomic bomb's use necessary on Japan by the United States? There are some documents for you to go ahead and read through. As you can see here, there is a secondary source, and you can take some notes for yourself over in the box like we would do in class. Same thing for the primary source. You are going to go ahead and take a look at all of the graphics here, and then you're going to answer the question and write a reflection. So, was it necessary for the United States to use the atomic bombs to end the war with Japan? Explain your reasoning, and please make sure you cite information from at least 2 of the resources listed. Please take a side. Either they were necessary or they were not. Don't say both. We want you to pick a side and explain yourself. You do need to type out 5 complete sentences minimum on the next page. And when you are finished, go ahead and click Turn In. Okay, that's the assignment for today. If you have any questions or anything about that, please feel free to let me know.